How to choose the right length for your pearl necklace. At Les Ateliers Saint Germain, every pearl tells a story of light, grace, and timeless French craftsmanship. Choosing the right necklace length is about finding the one that reflects your silhouette, your style, and your inner elegance. The collar, or Collier rigide, measures 30 to 35 centimeters, about 12 to 14 inches. It sits high on the neck, a bold couture statement for refined evening wear. The choker, or ras de cou, measures 35 to 40 centimeters, about 14 to 16 inches. It rests delicately around the neck, modern, versatile, and effortlessly chic. The princess length measures 43 to 48 centimeters, around 17 to 19 inches. It falls gracefully below the collarbone and flatters every neckline. The matinee length measures 50 to 60 centimeters, about 20 to 24 inches. It sits beautifully at the top of the décolleté, refined, confident, and perfect for daytime sophistication. The opera necklace measures 70 to 90 centimeters, about 28 to 36 inches. It drapes lower, offering a touch of romance and vintage glamour. The robe, or sautoir, measures 90 centimeters and more, about 36 to 47 inches and beyond. It's the longest of all, a symbol of elegance, freedom, and timeless confidence. The rope can be worn long and dramatic, gracefully flowing over a blouse or dress, or doubled around the neck, creating two elegant strands that echo the glamour of timeless icons. It's versatile, playful, and irresistibly chic, the perfect piece for a woman who writes her own definition of elegance. From the collar to the robe, each length tells its own story of grace, allure, and individuality. True elegance has no boundaries. You can wear one, or wear them all, layered in perfect harmony, each strand reflecting a different facet of your beauty. Because pearls are not just jewels, they are the reflection of the woman who wears them. Their light lives through her, graceful, timeless, and forever unique. Les Ateliers Saint Germain, the soul of French elegance. Discover our creations on www.atelier-saint-germain.com and embrace timeless French elegance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to discover more behind-the-scenes secrets and the art of fine jewelry creation.